What you need to know to get started with this course. You need to know how to set up and manage a WordPress website, how to create and manage content, how to use and manage themes and plugins. You need to know HTML, CSS, PHP, and a little JavaScript. Your WordPress environment. There are two WordPress local host environments. The first one you need to know is how to install and run WordPress with MAMP or WAMP. Installing and running WordPress with Local By Flywheel, which is my favorite. Your code editor or IDE. You can use VS Code, Atom, Sublime Text, or a similar. All of these are free. My setup will be WordPress on Local By Flywheel, a virtual host address of ACF minicourse.local, standard content including post pages and menus, and VS Code editor.